Master Bioinformatics in 2025. Best courses, tools, and tips for beginners. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, statistics, and mathematics to study biological data. It's a rapidly growing field with applications in medicine, agriculture, and industry. If you're interested in learning bioinformatics, there are many options available, but which ones are right for you? In this video, we've compiled the best courses, tools, and tips to help you master bioinformatics in 2025. We've included options for all levels of learners, from beginners to advanced students. Whether you want to learn about the basics of bioinformatics or dive deeper into specific topics, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Before we dive into our top picks for learning bioinformatics, let's quickly cover the fundamentals. Bioinformatics is a highly interdisciplinary field that requires a strong foundation in several key areas. First and foremost, you'll need a solid grasp of biology, particularly genetics and molecular biology. Understanding the basic principles of DNA, RNA, and proteins is crucial for interpreting biological data. Additionally, a good knowledge of statistics and mathematics is essential for analyzing and interpreting data sets. Familiarity with probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis will be particularly useful. Finally, you'll need a strong understanding of computer science, including programming, databases, and algorithms. Experience with programming languages such as Python or R and an understanding of how data is stored and retrieved from databases are particularly valuable. Once you've assessed your skill set and identified any knowledge gaps, you can begin to explore the vast array of resources available for learning bioinformatics. One of the most popular options is online courses. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a wide range of bioinformatics courses from beginner to advanced levels. These courses provide a structured learning experience and often include interactive exercises and quizzes to test your understanding. Some platforms also offer certificates upon completion of the course, which can be valuable for job applications. Another option is to enroll in a bioinformatics boot camp. Boot camps are intensive, short-term programs that provide hands-on training in a particular skill set. They are designed to provide students with the skills they need to pursue a career in the field and often include mentorship and career counseling. If you prefer a more traditional learning environment, you may want to consider enrolling in a university course. Many universities offer bioinformatics courses at both the undergraduate and graduate levels. This option provides the opportunity to learn from experienced professors and interact with other students in the field. However, it's important to note that university courses may be more expensive and time-consuming than other options. Ultimately, the best way to learn bioinformatics is the one that fits your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, time constraints, and learning style when choosing a learning option. With so many resources available, there's no excuse not to start your bioinformatics journey today. Here are some of the best free and paid bioinformatics courses to get you started. Free courses * Data Camp's Introduction to Bioinformatics Specialization. This specialization covers the fundamentals of bioinformatics, including sequence analysis, genome assembly, and population genetics. The courses are self-paced and include hands-on exercises. * The University of Michigan's Bioinformatics Specialization. This specialization covers topics such as next-generation sequencing, gene expression analysis, and cancer genomics. The courses are also self-paced and include real-world case studies. * MIT's Introduction to Computational Biology. This course provides an overview of computational biology and bioinformatics, including an introduction to sequence analysis, gene expression analysis, and protein structure prediction. The course is free to audit, but a fee is required for a certificate. Paid courses * Udemy's Bioinformatics for Beginners. This course is designed for those with little to no programming experience and covers topics such as sequence alignment, phylogenetic analysis, and genomic data analysis. The course includes practical exercises and projects. * Coursera's Bioconductor for Genomics and Bioinformatics. This course focuses on the use of the Bioconductor software package for analyzing genomic data. The course is taught by Duke University and includes hands-on training in using Bioconductor. * Data Camp's Introduction to Python for Bioinformatics. This course covers the basics of Python programming and how to apply it to bioinformatics problems. The course is self-paced and includes interactive exercises. These are just a few of the many courses available to learn bioinformatics. When choosing a course, consider your level of experience, learning style, and career goals. Once you've enrolled in a course or started exploring on your own, it's important to have the right tools to support your learning. Here are some of the best bioinformatics tools for beginners. Sequence Alignment Tools * BLAST Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. BLAST is a suite of programs for comparing a query sequence against a database of sequences to find the best matches. It is an essential tool for bioinformaticians and is widely used for tasks such as gene identification and protein function prediction. * Clustalomega. Clustalomega is a multiple sequence alignment tool that can compare up to thousands of sequences at once. It is commonly used to align protein or DNA sequences and is a useful tool for building phylogenetic trees. Genomics and Transcriptomics Tools * Galaxy. Galaxy is a web-based platform for analyzing genomic and transcriptomic data. It provides a user-friendly interface for performing tasks such as sequence alignment, variant calling, and gene expression analysis. * IGV Integrative Genomics Viewer. IGV is a program for viewing and analyzing genomic data, particularly for visualizing next-generation sequencing data. It is a powerful tool for exploring genomic regions of interest and can be used for tasks such as identifying genetic variants. Proteomics Tools * Uniprot. Uniprot is a comprehensive database of protein sequences and functional information. It is a valuable resource for bioinformaticians as it provides a wealth of information on protein structure and function. * Interpro. Interpro is a database of protein families, domains, and functional sites. It's a useful tool for analyzing protein sequences and predicting their functions. These tools are just a starting point for exploring bioinformatics. As you progress in your studies, you may want to familiarize yourself with additional tools for specific applications. As you begin your bioinformatics journey, it's important to keep a few tips in mind. First and foremost, don't be afraid to ask questions. Bioinformatics is a complex field, and it's okay to struggle at first. Reach out to your classmates, instructors, or online communities for help when you're stuck. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Bioinformatics is a highly interdisciplinary field, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to problem solving. Try different tools and techniques and see what works best for you. Finally, don't forget to practice. The best way to learn bioinformatics is by doing. Work on practice problems, participate in hackathons, or work on your own projects to gain hands-on experience. Learning bioinformatics can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities in various industries. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and statistics to analyze and interpret biological data, making it an attractive career choice for those who enjoy working at the intersection of these fields. A career in bioinformatics can be both challenging and rewarding, offering the opportunity to contribute to advancements in medicine, agriculture, and other industries. If you enjoyed this video, Please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.